Good morning, y'all. It is currently 7:30. It's my first day of school of my spring semester of senior year, so aka my last semester of undergrad. Yeah, so it's my real last first day of school, y'all. My real last first day of school, because I don't plan to go to graduate school as of right now. So yeah, I just want to bring y'all along the day with me, see how my day goes. I'm walking up to the building. I don't know what time it is. My phone is in my pocket. It's cold as heck. Whew. Out of breath. Let's see. Y'all, can y'all see the snow? It's not a lot, but it's something. Okay. All right, let me go to class. I'll see y'all in class.
Does everyone have a laptop? Does everyone have their own software? Okay, all right, so of course as well, we have the laptops that are for the computer lab if you'd like to.
Hey y'all, so I just got out of class. Where's my phone at? It's currently 10:26. Class was supposed to end at 11. But we got out a little early, so I went to the pot and got me some Chobani yogurt. I got strawberry, and then I got salami, cheese, and crackers. It's kind of a funky combination, but I'm hungry. And the caf don't start serving lunch until like at least 11. And it's too cold to walk all the way over to the student center because I don't want Chick-fil-A. I don't want Pizza Hut. I didn't want Starbucks because I want food. So after supply, I ain't got that much time no way. So I'm gonna just kick my feet up, eat my little snacks, drink my little water. Y'all like my Stanley? It's pink and gold. It's the Stanley Starbucks collab. Yo. But yeah, I'm gonna chill, watch a little something on my computer because I ain't got no work to do yet, so.
Did you download my syllabus?
Did I?
Yeah, did you see it? My syllabus?
No, I'll go look now though.
Yeah, go to the...
He's scared of it! He's scared! Yo, it's cold as outside. So, let me turn it. So, I just left my photography class. It's only 11:56. And he let us out early. He was just chit-chatting. We went over the syllabus. He told us about some of our up-and-coming projects. And it's so cold, y'all. I can't even think straight. But yeah, he just told us about some of our little projects and he let us go. And so my next class, which is my last class, doesn't even start until 2:20. So I really have like 2 hours to I have like 2 hours to waste. I think I'm about to just go run some errands. Like, I need a car wash. My car is disrespectfully dirty because it's been snowing, so it's dried up snow and salt all in my car, and mind you, this car is black. So yeah, I need to go get a car wash very badly. I also need to go to the dollar store and just get some things for the house. But yeah, so I'm about to just do that, waste some time. If I still got some time to waste, I might go back to the crib ski, because I only stayed less than 10 minutes from my school, so if I go back to the house, it'll be alright. I low-key need a vacuum too, but it's too cold. I don't got it in me today. So I think I might just get the car wash and vacuum on a warmer day, because, I'm cool. Cool on that one, buddy. Are y'all okay? I just dropped y'all so bad trying to walk out the door. Like, I dropped it bad. So bad the battery pack popped open. Like, but I'm on my way to class now. Demi just called me and asked me if I want to go to the mall when I left class. But y'all know I just told y'all I was going to the gym when I left class. So I'm a little conflicted. I don't need to be spending no money. But y'all know it's Forever 21's closing everywhere, and one of the Forever 21's out here is having a closing sale. So I just feel like I would be doing myself a disservice if I didn't go check it out. And really, I could still go to the gym after the mall, because I ain't got nothing to do tomorrow. Or I could just go in the morning. I could just go in the morning. Or I could do both. I don't know, we'll see. But I think I'm going to go to the mall. Because I just feel like, you know? Okay, let me go to class.
That I got pieces and pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot you love me. You love me. You love me.
Yeah. For sure. 100%. Anybody in honors?
Yes.
You all?
Yes.
I'm
Oh, y'all see me making my little vision board, scrap board thing? It really wasn't a vision board, because he just told us to, like, just literally just rip up the newspapers and collage it. It was just like a collage. But y'all, I had such a good day, and I really enjoyed that class. Yeah, I hope y'all have enjoyed the video so far. I'm not really sure if this is gonna be the end of the vlog. If it is the end of the vlog, thank y'all for watching. If this isn't the end of the vlog, y'all will see whatever it is that I do next. And I just want to go ahead and get my outro out the way, because sometimes I'll be forgetting. So yeah. But okay. I love y'all, and I will most likely call y'all back. We'll see. Hey vloggy vlog. Bring y'all this way so I can turn on the ring light. Okay. Hey y'all. So I'm back from the mall. I did not go to the gym, as y'all can tell. I did not go to the gym, went to the mall, got some clothes, so I'm gonna show you. I spent a total of $44 and some change. And I got 2 bags of stuff. So let me show you. I'm starting with the smaller bag first. To be exact, I spent $44.78. So what I got this shirt. It has like a, I don't know if y'all can tell, the neckline and the sleeves. Let me turn this down a little bit. Y'all see the neckline and the sleeves. Got this shirt. Got this bandeau top. It's like a greenish, grayish color. It's like this. It has a zipper in the back. I got a lot of pants because I am redoing my wardrobe, and I need more like lounge stuff, like just stuff to, you know, throw on and go about my day. So I got these yoga pants. They're green. And then that's another thing. If y'all don't know, I'm a little tall. I'm like 5'6", maybe 5'7", I don't know. But my legs are really long, and pants always float on me, so I be having them. When I find them, I gotta get them. Especially yoga pants. I can never find yoga pants that big. So I got these. There's some yoga pants. They fold over at the waist, and then they got drawstrings on the side, you know, just some chill stuff. I had to feed my inner child with this one, so I got these sweatpants. They're Bobby Jack. If y'all know Bobby Jack, y'all know Bobby Jack. But I got these little sweatpants. They're this light green color, pink letters, Bobby Jack. That's the bottom. They fit your girl. These are a size large though. I be getting my sweatpants big. And then in the other bag, I got these black linen pants. I got this tan bodysuit. I didn't try this on. I'm a little nervous I'm gonna flood in it. But in the winter I could wear like some boots. And then I feel like in the summer and stuff, if I wear like some like low top tennis shoes, it could be okay as long as I have an anklet on. I don't really like wearing my ankles, showing my ankles though, but because they're skinny. But yeah, it's tan. I got this sweater. It's a little big. It's a size medium. I'm a size small girly. It's a little big, but it's cute. It's cropped. Got the one little button. It's cute. I got this just little gray zip up jacket. Got this in a size medium. Just a little gray jacket. Last thing, I got these pants. These are some more little yoga pant type. They're black. They have a seam going down the middle of the whole pants, front and back. But really, y'all, that's now the end of the vlog. I'm about to take a shower and eat dinner. Demi is making a spaghetti tonight. Yeah. So that's it in this vlog. I hope y'all liked it. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel. Let me know how y'all feel. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all want more vlogs of me going to school. Whatever. I know it's really cliche. I probably saw everybody else, but like for real, I'm coming back with my content this year. At least that's the plan. You never know what could happen. But yeah, I plan to come back doing content. I plan to be vlogging. I plan to do like sit down videos, give y'all a little bit of everything. I just want my content to literally reflect who I am as a person and my life and what it is that I like to do. Like I'm gonna do more art content, photography content. Like literally my whole page is just gonna be who I truly am as a person. Oh, is that a spider? Oh, it's a spider on the wall. Anyways, but yeah, my content is just gonna reflect who I am as a person. And I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all stick around for the journey. But on that note, I love y'all and good night.
Come and see me. You don't ever come to me. Yeah.